Welcome. This video I'll show you how to build a website on Kajabi. Alright, so first up, just go ahead and log into your account at app.kajabi.com. Once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on website. Okay. In the drop down, go ahead and select any of these options. Okay. It will just ask you the same question or option. Okay, for example, design right here, as you can see, it says pick a template. Just click on this one. And in the next page, just go ahead and select a template. For example, this one right here, Rise. Okay, just click on it. Now just click on Get Started. Here we have the preview right here. If you want to preview it, just go ahead and do so. And if you like it, just click on Get Started. Now just wait for it. There you go. And here, you got to click on Preview or start customizing it. Here we have the Home, Library. As you can see here I have my course already attached to the website itself. So let's just go ahead and click on Customize. Right here at the top right. Here we have the header right here at the top, the hero. You can go ahead and move these blocks by just using this move function right here, the two dashes. All right, just click and hold on it and move it wherever you want. As you can see, notice the preview right here, the center of your screen, like so. Just gonna go ahead and move it back to the top. Header, unfortunately, you can't move it. Okay, so just click on a block, for example, this picture right here. As you can see, it now says background. So just click on background. And if you want to change it to a video, for example, you can go ahead and click on video actions and click on upload a new file. All right. Or if you want to change the image, just click on select image. You can go ahead and edit an image, this image right here, or generate an image with AI, or start from Adobe stock. Okay, and if you want to upload your own image, just click on upload new file, my device, Dropbox, Google Drive, link, or camera. I'm just going to go ahead and select my device, maybe just this picture right here. I'm just going to click on it and hit on open. As it says here, the problem is you cannot upload 5 MB photos above. Okay, make sure that you upload below that file size. Okay, maybe our YouTube logo right here. Like so. I'm going to hit on save, upload. Just wait for it. And there you have it. For the buttons, you can go ahead and click on the button itself. Change the text. Or for example, this specific button, just got to scroll down. Background. Here we have the border width. You can go ahead and add in your Facebook, Snapchat, X, or any other social media logos right here. For example, just going to click on edit like so. And then you can go ahead and add in your URL, for example, your YouTube channel, for example. Okay. Logo. I'm going to go ahead and upload the channel's logo again right here. After this one, I'm going to go ahead and find our YouTube channel. So this one is our YouTube channel. All you have to do is just copy this URL at the top, right click and copy. Close this one, paste that in here. If you want to change the image width, go ahead and alter that with this box right here. Okay. Border radius, image caption, and some other options. Okay. Now let's just go ahead and save this one real quick, because if you don't save it, you can't preview it. Okay. Well, you can preview it, but it will preview the last saved option. Okay. I'm just going to click on preview now. Right here. So I will click on this picture. As you can see, we are being landed to the YouTube channel. That's basically it. Now, another sample maybe, so you see here, this is just a text block. This is just a photo block. If you want to add in your own text section or whatever, you can just go back right here. And then at the bottom, add a section. Okay. And then for this section, you can go ahead and add in basic contents or blocks like text, context, hero, features, carousel, image blocks, audio, video, and so on and so forth. Okay. Maybe video. Add right here at the bottom. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on edit. Now go ahead and upload your video or select from a recent file. Okay. Like this one. Hit on select. Wait for it. And here we have the video. Select the thumbnail if you want to. Upload. Here this one as well. Save. upload, done. All right. And if you like it, you can go ahead and save the section and name it like video tab. Save. And if you want to delete it, just click on delete this section. Okay, as you can see here, the video tab has been added. You can go ahead and move it at the top if you want to as well. Like in here under hero, like so. All right. Delete maybe. And there you have it. Settings right here. You have the favicon. If you want to add in the favicon right here is this one. Okay, favicon or favicon. If you want to change it, just go ahead and select an image. For example, our brand logo right here. Save, upload, save, preview, wait for it. And there we have it. Here's the updated favicon. And that is it. That's basically how you build a website here on Kajabi. And when you scroll down right here on the left panel, as you can see, you can go ahead and add in keyboard shortcuts. You can do that as well. Use tapped opt-in right here and exit pop-up. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.